Is this you? You're sitting in a room that everyone else says is comfortable, but you are wearing 2 pairs of socks and your hands feel like blocks of ice. You've been told it's just bad circulation, or maybe you just run cold. But what if your cold hands are actually a warning sign from your body? Today, we are going to fix that. We're not just talking about putting on gloves. We're talking about why your blood isn't getting to your toes and the simple, scientifically backed tricks you can do right now, sitting at your desk to get the heat flowing again. Let's get started without delay. Hi, welcome to ZenUp. First, let's understand the mechanic. It's called vasoconstriction. When you get cold or stressed, your body is smart. It thinks, I need to keep the heart and brain warm to stay alive. So it squeezes the tiny blood vessels in your hands and feet to push blood back to your core. This is normal in a snowstorm. It is not normal when you're just sitting on your couch watching Netflix. If it happens constantly, your internal thermostat might be broken due to lifestyle factors. So why is this happening to you? It usually boils down to 3 things. Number 1, sedentary lifestyle. In the US, we sit a lot. When you sit for hours, your muscles aren't contracting. Muscles are what help pump blood back up to your heart. No movement means cold feet. Number 2, stress. Stress triggers the fight or flight response. This releases adrenaline, which, you guessed it, constricts your blood vessels. Being anxious literally makes you colder. Number 3, nutrient deficiencies, specifically iron and vitamin B12. Without enough iron, your red blood cells can't carry oxygen efficiently. Less oxygen means less heat. Enough about the problem. Let's get you warm. Here are 3 things you can do right now. Tip 1, the pump technique. Stand up, rise onto your toes, then drop your heels. Do this 20 times. This engages your calf muscles, often called your second heart, to force blood circulation up from your feet. Tip 2, hydrate with heat. Cold water can shock your system. Switch to warm lemon water or ginger tea. Ginger is a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps open up those tight blood vessels. Tip 3, the 360 arm swing. Careful with this one. Stand in an open space and swing your arms in big circles like a windmill. Centrifugal force pushes blood to your fingertips. It looks silly, but skiers use this trick for a reason. It works instantly. A quick warning, if your fingers turn stark white or blue and then bright red when they warm up, you might have Raynaud syndrome. Or if you have cold feet combined with numbness or tingling, please see a doctor, as this can be related to diabetes or nerve issues. You don't have to live life as an icicle. Try the calf raises, grab some ginger tea, and get that blood moving. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. It really helps our channel grow. And subscribe to ZenUp for more tips on feeling your best. Are your hands cold right now? Let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.